It's a little Christmas in July for me here. I just got back from an astronomy conference and bought myself a present. It's a meteorite. Now, I already have another piece of this particular meteorite, and you'll see it in the video of types of meteorites, but I wanted another one because a girl can never have too many pieces of the Allende meteorite, right? The Allende meteorite is a very important one because this meteorite has the basic building blocks of life in it, amino acids, and has water in it. And it's very important for studying the origin of the solar system. So in this week, you're going to be dealing with the leftovers from the formation of the planets. And that might not sound particularly interesting, except that there is so much that we can learn from these leftover bits of stuff, from meteorites, from comets, and from asteroids. And if that doesn't pique your interest, how about the danger factor? Cue the scary music. If you've watched enough Hollywood blockbusters, you know that the Earth could get smacked upside its head any time now from an asteroid or a comet just hurtling in our direction. Well, of course, the science in most of those movies is really, really bad. I know that won't come as a shock to you. However, it is true that the Earth has been hit by comets and asteroids in its past, and it is possible that it could happen in the future. So it would behoove us to learn about these bits of cosmic debris and see what risk they really do pose from us. And while we're talking about these leftovers from the formation of the solar system, in week 7, we'll be talking about, we'll be bringing together a lot of what you've learned in the past 6 weeks. We'll be talking about the different types of planets and how the formation of the terrestrial planets was different from the formation of the Jovian planets. We'll be talking about some of Pluto's relatives, the Kuiper Belt objects, and the comets and the Oort cloud. And we'll also be having our first glimpse of planets outside of our own solar system. This is a topic that we'll get back to when we talk about the formation of stars. So this week, this unit of material, in some ways is a summary of what you've looked at so far. And it's going to be a springboard for the next portion of the course. Because now that we've really talked about the bodies in our solar system and compared them to each other, you're going to realize that we've left out one very important member of the solar system so far. The largest, the one that's so large that you could fit all the other members inside with lots of room left over. Of course, I'm talking about the sun. So next week's going to be all about the sun. This week, talking about the leftovers from the formation of the solar system and how that tells us how the solar system formed. And of course, the sun played a central role in that, pun very much intended.